All right, so working on the funnel then, that is going to be there's going to be a link on my home page, or what I've been used to be calling my funnel hub inside of ClickFunnels. And so here it is. It's this lead funnel with MHF, which stands for more high fives. I'm going to go to the settings over here real quick because I think I need to change this one over here. It's going to be under getgolfhelp.com. Right? I started building under usagolf.pro, but it's actually going to be under getgolfhelp.com is where it'll be. And we're going to save that. So now when someone clicks from my home page, which will just be getgolfhelp.com, it'll go to the funnel getgolfhelp.com/whatever the funnel is. It won't take them to a whole different URL, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's pull this one up. And right now, it is 3 pages that I've created. Right, one is the landing page, where I'm going to ask them for their information. The next one down is the thank you page, which will have a opportunity for them to join in my membership site with a free trial. And then if they end up paying or signing up for that free trial, then there'll be a third page, a thank you page for becoming part of that. Right? If they don't, then this page, that middle page also will just act as a thank you page for them, giving me their email address and then getting that access to that free lesson that I gave them that they can go and watch. So you'll notice that in the background, System changed my URL path from the usagolf.pro to getgolfhelp.com because that's what I told it to do. But this extension is still the same. It's still going to be, if you wanted to just look at this funnel on its own, it will be getgolfhelp.com/putting. All right, so that's awesome. And while I've kind of got that going on there, I'm going to copy this link right here because I've got to go to my blogs. Remember, that's where I'm building my funnel hub under. I've got to go to, it wasn't under the blogs that I was doing it. Where did that go? I don't think it was under anything else. Oh, there it is. Just took a moment. Like, what on earth? Got me all worried there. All right, so here we go. Oh, it's looking at posts. All right, so let's go to pages, home page. We're going to edit the home page. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if you remember, I've got a setting over here inside my button for a URL that is now no longer active, right? Because I changed that. And so I've got to come in and change my buttons so they're now pointing at the right place. All right, so as you become more familiar with using the editor and you understand what's going on, you'll remember these steps, right? But as you're getting started out, you're going to have to purposefully even write down where things are going, so that you can remember that if you do make a change, then you got to go and update links and update other things like that. All right, so now I can save changes on this page, and I can go back out to my funnels and pick up this one, and now I can go to my squeeze page or my landing page, and I can edit that. All right, and I think what I want to start by doing is I'm going to make a bit of a departure from this, unless I can find a good way to make this left-hand column very separate from the right-hand column. And maybe I'll do it by size, right? So I'll pull that over there, and then add some definite margin on the sides or something, right? Let me try this, because I need to, let's go 35 points and see if that's enough. And I'll just do a couple of these because I need to have enough of a gap. Whoops, not 30, not 40. There we go. Between the left column and the right column so that it's not too busy looking. And even that one there, I might need to go more than what I did. I might need to go up to 50 on that one. Right? Maybe I'll go up to 50 on this one too. Because when I looked at this in a live web page, it was a little bit confusing. It was just very, very busy. All right, and so I didn't like what I was seeing. So we'll just do the same for all of these. We're going to add 50 to all of them. Now I'm not sure if there's a bulk way to do this or if I just have to do it one at a time. Again, this, if this was a year or 10 months ago when I was first learning about editors and making stuff, this tediousness would have driven me crazy. It's like, why? This is just dumb. Now, if this is how it is, this is just how it is, right? There's no need to get emotional about it. There's nothing that you can do to. I mean, the other thing you can do is pay somebody to do it for you. And if that's the situation that you're in, that's awesome. I'd do that. I'd pay someone in a heartbeat if I could to do it for me. All right. So, all right. So let's see. Nope. I'm going from the right. I'm going to pull this in. 50 points. That reminds me of Harry Potter there for a moment. 50 points to Gryffindor. And one more on this side. We're going to go, where's my margin from the right? We're going to go, oops, other way. We're going to go 50 points. All right, so why did I do 50 for all of them? Well, now, if you look at the width of all my boxes, they're about the same. So in theory, I could do the following, right? I could go down to the bottom over here, click on this, and find what color background I had. So it looks like it was my blue background at 43%. Let's just make that a round number. Let's take that to 40. Grayed out. All right. And I'm going to do the same up here. I'm going to go here, settings, background color, my color, right? And then I'm going to click out of that. I'm going to go back into it because this is, if I didn't do that, then this would change my color. If it was still activated, it would change that into this lighter color, right? So if we go 40% right there. Oh, maybe it wasn't that color. Okay, maybe I need to figure out what color I was using. Let's go to there and let's just say 30. Still a little gray. 20. There we go. That works. And then to go back to this bottom one over here and go background color. Click on that, and I'm going to go my colors. Click out of it. Click back on this. Put into the settings for that. Go to the color and change that to 20. Now those two backgrounds are the same color. And if I can figure out how to get these things to be the same width, then it would look like I've just changed the background of that column. And that's kind of what I'm going for here. So that's what I'm going to do here for the next little bit. And I'll show you what it looks like when I figured out the sizing and the colors for it. So come back and take a look.